man, RT I mind me. I may appreciate it.
Yeah, man, that a go on pan what a go on. You see it, Queenie say, yo, RT a minor, and she appreciate it, but me I wonder if I love in the era or just business as usual. You see it, what go on when you dip on. Welcome to Sandy and Bones TV. I don't know if I keep on update with what go on with Queenie in the street, you see me? And since night Queenie fall upon her life and break down in tears, and she did that talk up her mind, you see it, and I go and block the people them who a say something about Dewey and them thing about. We don't know say through the earth and the relationship why Queenie acts and I know RT or what people I say about RT, you know, all we know say she like RT if you don't know true. Dewey go switch up the thing and deal with more and them something there. So she just a try get back to Dewey, but that I not get back still, you see it? So you don't know. Just free if you comment anything you want to comment, you see it, and just go and share out the video them, you see me. And big up my place, Girl Chester Comforter said speed, you see it? Yeah man. And big up everybody who check out the channel for the first time from 2019, you see it?
Wanna stop call people name, I go start black on. No stop it, man. Lego that a new year. Man, now carry new year with una and that. You know have to understand. Everything is for a moment of time. Yeah, the lady said I'm strong as proud of myself too. You hear that? I'm proud of myself. It's hard of me and my cuss me. So I go sting. And I said, God song. I said, people just so sad and corrupted. And you know why I'm going to sing God song? Kind of my talk cantankerous me is a God create me. And everything I put God first. I say my God sing all who did that pre me. I just got to go out of that. I go up there, go do and cover myself. I don't know that me. Me never go up there, go call to no man or call for no man. I God never go up there with. I said, God don't make none of them throw and back and bust my head. And I'm afraid that I'm going to go. Not trying to see my cantankerous and defense, so I'm very protective of myself. I don't trust none of them. So I don't think me I eat that. I not left my guard on. I just not for happy go lucky. But you see, in my heart, I protect myself because I don't know who is genuine from who is not genuine. And you can't know, you can't just see somebody and judge them from a distance. If you don't walk the path, you cannot talk about it. You understand me? So you can come tell me about RT. So RT did over Spice. I don't business RT and Spice and over business. I never did it. If them did I work over and me and RT now work over. I'm in a business for my over man is my friend, my new friend. I'm like him. My new business partner. Put a friend out of it. Because friend sound too friendly. Is my new business partner. My RT is business partner. One one I don't name drunk her body. I drank I rely upon myself. I'm independent because my mouth light and filthy. My mouth because I'm very sensitive as much as my vulgar and cantankerous. I am sensitive within myself and my own feelings. I not like insult. I not like shame. I not like beg. So I earn my own, I hunch my own. It's an art my business. And I work and enough in that. So don't get it twisted. And carry my name go backyard. In my mind me as in the stability of him consistently not just talk, him keep up teamwork and in words and then me put in my work. So if I for jump on RT back and me and him jump and skip and we enjoy ourselves, I appreciate RT. When I stop with RT because I shame face and shit not cockabee and like I'm married. I'm still respect my married no matter the still and gully and the disgrace that I go meet for myself. I respect it. I'm a very complacent into myself, yeah? Me's a married lad, drunker if you don't want to call me a drunker. If you don't want to call me a married shit or make me commit adultery and fornication and go against how me feel towards married. Me never go street dump and turn papi show. So if the liquor left off I to me can honor. Me honor that. Cause it's my name me change. So it's the little my car and I understand put article who can have in a clown for when I have it. When me don't have none, me don't have any. I'm satisfied with not having any because I always have myself. That's all. Every time when I see something, yes, them this and them that and them on a go man. Why not think I can be so cantankerous and terrible? Me nah make none of them uncle on a brother, on a grandfather, on a nephew. None of blood me. I'm frightened for myself. I'm excited over myself. I'm fool over myself. You know, man tell you a while ago, she proud of me. Because me don't give a if me I go through the worst, sometimes one day me have inhuman, you know. Me just happy to go lucky. When Rachel and that's mommy what you feel. Me say no me a hot girl Nas. You know out of everything. That was the answer. You know why? To lift up my own spirit and myself and keep myself active. You know, don't leave me. I am somebody and everybody needs someone where they can have fun with. Yeah, and she's a fun person. And and my business, but I'm not want it's rude, you know. You understand me? For the coming at my DM, on the regular my diggle, regular my dad, so I know what I say constantly. It's just food. Cause if I could have men are the kind of woman there, I'll never be that kind of woman there. Stop creating things in our head, yeah? Stop creating things in our head. And leave mental cause I don't accept honor. Why me not have no time for no? Why me not have no time for no in a phone no problem? Hmm? Accept on yourself for honor is. That's why I not care the foolishness in the yeah, me need to block them. Anybody will call them name, I go block them. I have enough of them for true. This year, I true, I go block them for true, Yvette. Yeah, man. Any, I'm tired of no now. Me not borrow no eye water. That's how I'm fresh and pretty for 54. No go and strong. Get them for go, man. And not bad man. All I get I go like see, I feel borrow. I make her my nice girl. Who sexy? He's sexy. Him sexy for true. Nice. He's a breath of fresh air now. When you're around RT, put her the cantankerous for part time. Him nice. Like me, put her the cantankerous part time. I'm sweet and nice. And that's what I discover with him. Him caring. So all of the front end of the internet I put up and I make nice and fitness. Him have another, him have the back. The back one in a state. Turn up at for me a RT or song I wish. If my RT for break up and customer because if we be friend constantly, we are gonna be constantly. What take it as it come? Nobody not predict my future for me. No go. We can't even predict my name. Oh God, that's so nice. What's your name? Gifted. And more remember her name. Gifted. What's your name? Gifted and AND. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting that. Girl power, we are shower every hour. Oh my name. Oh my name power, man. Oh my name power. You she said, you see that? Leave them alone and they will come home. You see, God on time and everything. You know? She studied me and she can come back on and give her back her strength. You see that? Strength come in many different ways. You know, cussing, prayers, jumping. Here she said, me not busy the world and them mama for true, you know. That's true, no matter whether I'm sad or I'm happy. Me still I do my have to do. You get me? The 16th of December, my mother's sister buried my auntie. Done. But you know, united we stand, divided we fall. Unity is strength. You understand me? Chain and chain and chain me link, you know. Piece of pie is better than no pie.